friends, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I'm going to be opening my second crochet of the month club, or yarn of the month club. Previously I opened the Annie's Hook and Needle Club, which I'll link up here, and so I'm going to open the Mary Maxim one, and this is my first time getting this kit. So, here's the bag it came in. So exciting! So before I open this, I just want to thank all my new subscribers, especially Urban Yarn. He has a really great channel that covers a variety of the fiber arts, and I'm going to link him down below if I can figure out how to do that, because I'm kind of new at this. But I really want to thank him for all of his tips and the way that he explains things, and also for subscribing to my channel. So thank you so much. And to my other subscribers, thank you. So if you guys would like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, I'd really appreciate it. So let's get into this Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club. So here's the bag it came in a bag. I already opened it, but I haven't peeked, okay? So, ooh, I like this. What else is in here? Oh, packing slip. Let's see. Oh, so there's a really nice note from Mary Maxim about the problems with shipping due to the things going on right now. So that's why it came kind of late this month. And then this was my first one. So it was $9.99 and $7.45 for shipping. So total this was $17.44. So not too bad. Ooh, I like that it comes in this really nice reusable pouch thingy. That is really nice. I like that. So let's dig in and see what I got. Ooh. This is nice. So it looks like this month's project is a poncho, colorful poncho from Mary Maxim. That's cool. Ooh, what I like inside this book, it definitely talks a little bit about the yarn. Oh, it shows a closer view of the pattern. I really like that. Nice close-up view of the pattern, so that's a plus. I appreciate that as a new crocheter. And then let's see what else is in here. Oh, so it's in 2 panels that you make it. So that seems like that's going to be a easier pattern for me, since I have not been crocheting that long, but I have definitely caught the crochet bug. So it looks like they gave me 4 balls of, ooh, this is very pretty. I am very happy with this. I like this a lot more than the Annie's one that I got. I've never used this yarn before. It's Maple DK. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. That is crazy beautiful. It's a rainbow. There's blues and pinks. Pink is not my favorite color, but with the oranges and, ooh, look at those blues and purples. I mean, that's beautiful. And it's kind of like twisted. So see, it's got something wrapped around it there, some black thread. Ooh, the color is called Moon Melon. Oh, I like that. Moon Melon. Okay. Made in China for Euro yarns. Jeez. So this is the number if anybody's interested in checking that out. It is 100% polyester, 4 weight, and ooh, there's 262 yards or 240 meters in each ball. Well, that's nice. And it's a 4 weight, which has actually been my favorite weight to crochet with. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I mean, so pretty. Look at the prettiness. Love, 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 love. I am very happy with this. For, how much did I say it was? $17.44. I mean, come on. And it's a pattern I'm really interested in. The Annie's one, and also this reusable thing, amazing. I will totally use this. This will not get thrown away. This will be great to put, I just did a bigger one that I put all my sock weight yarn in that I got from my Facebook Marketplace haul, which I will also link that up here. Because I might be taking all the sock weight yarn that I can't dye, so stuff that's darker, and putting it together to make it heavier, because I'm not too sure about the sock weight yarn. It seems like it's very thin and finicky, and I really don't have any interest in crocheting socks. Not at this time. I might make it into a poncho or something like that, something open and springy. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any ideas of what to make with sock yarn that's not socks. So, but yeah, this is super awesome that this is included. So 4 balls. So that is, how many yards did they give me? Let's say 4 times. So like over 1,000 yards. 2, 4, no, that's, yeah, almost 1,000 yards. I mean, over 1,000 yards, which is pretty cool. My brain isn't in tune to do the maths right now. But definitely worth it. I'm really happy with this. So I will continue getting this. I'm, again, trying some different clubs right now, because who doesn't like yarn mail? Like, and I like surprises and getting something new in the mail that comes with a pattern. So I really enjoyed my Mary Maxim mystery boxes that I got, and I will get those again, and I'll link that up here, my Mary Maxim mystery box opening. So this is definitely a company that I like, and the other day I had put some stuff in my cart, and I let it sit there, and I kind of forgot about it because I got busy doing other stuff, and they sent me an email that said, hey, did you forget this stuff? You want free shipping? And I'm like, ooh. So they do give some good offers like that. Last time I ordered, I got a $5 off coupon in my package. And they do have a pretty good, they have some other mystery boxes. They have sock yarn boxes, which again, not really into that. But for those that are, it's nice. And they have a really nice craft mystery box that I haven't gotten yet. But I think I might get that in the next couple months to do with my daughter, because we do love doing crafts. And again, it's a surprise random thing, so I think that's pretty cool. So if any of you guys have had experience with the Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club, let me know down in the comments. And I guess they also have an Afghan club, which I'm not sure if I'm quite ready for that. Maybe when it gets a little cooler outside, I might try the Afghan club. But I'm trying a couple now, and then I'm going to give them a couple months, and then the ones that I like the best I'm going to keep, and then the other ones I'm not just going to keep getting for no reason, right? Because you want to have your money's worth, and you want it to be good. So I guess now I'm going to talk about a couple of the whips I have going right now. So first one I have is in this project bag, and it is with this really fluffy yarn that looks like this. It's a lavender color. However, it is skinny McSkinny. It's very, very soft. My son calls it his baby yarn, and he wants to hold it and hug it all the time. It's wicked cute. He's only 2. So what I am doing right now is I kind of just, well, what kind of yarn is it? Doy. So this is Lion Brand Romance. This was part of the haul that I did from Job Lot recently, so I'll link that up there too, so you can check that out, because there's a lot of really good yarn. So what I'm doing is I'm going to make a little shawl based on the pattern from the front of the box. I think it's coming out pretty good. I did have one complaint with this yarn, and that is that it says it's a super bulky 6. I mean, really? That is struggling to be a 2-weight. Never mind a super bulky 6. I mean, let's get real here. Even if you're counting all these little fluffy bits, there's just no way. I mean, that's my one complaint. Big problem with this package is that it says it's a super bulky. It also says to use a 9mm hook. Yeah, okay, that's really gonna work out well, 9mm. No, folks. I'm using a or a 5.5mm hook with this project, and it's kind of just the perfect size. I don't know who the heck is using an N on this. But this is, oh, it's hand washed, lay flat to dry. The color lavender, and it is, ooh, made in Italy. 85% acrylic and 15% mohair. So that's why it's all fluffy McFluffy. Ooh, little things coming off the top. And it is 8 ounces, 480 yards, and 440 meters. So it is quite a lot on here. I'm hoping that I have enough to make a shawl and then maybe make a headscarf thing or a headband or something like that to go with it. So it's working out really good. I'm fine. I like it, but again, not a 6. Would I buy it again? Well, the fact that I only paid $3 for it really helps. I'm sure originally this was much more expensive, but hey, for $3, I'm into that. I only saw these at one other job lot, and it was in baby pink, which I don't like pink. Purple is actually one of my favorite colors. So that's my first whip. And then my second whip I'm doing is, let me just grab that, is with some more of the yarn that I got at job lot. And that is this Bernat Home stuff, which has an acrylic yarn in it, and it has a pipsqueaks, and this blanket ease stuff, and then it's got some kind of like a homespun with it. And so I got 2 of these in green, and what I'm doing is I'm gonna work it up into a floor pillow. I'm gonna do, so this is one side, so it comes out like this with ridges. I used a pattern online as an inspiration, then I kind of changed it up. So basically it's only this wide right now, and I used one whole ball, but it's like, it's big. Woohoo! So what I'm waiting for is, I ordered some of this in brown, a brown color, from the Spin Right tent sale, from the Spin Right outlet, which I hope is coming in this weekend. I'm so excited. Took a long time for them to call me back, but oh my god, they had almost everything I ordered. So excited. So what I'm going to do is put this on one side, and then on the other side, I'm going to just use a plainer yarn so that this can go further. So this was $4 a ball, at, oh, pardon all my hair on here. Jeez. Sorry. $4 a ball at job lot. So those are my 2 whips I have going on right now. So let me know if anybody's either used this romance stuff before from Lion Brand, or this home stuff that's all different types mixed together. This is a little bit tough to work up, though, I gotta be honest, because this is really hard to find the stitches on, and this is super hard to find the stitches on. So it's like I'm crocheting really fast, really fast, really fast, really fast, snail pace. Snail pace. I definitely understand why some people do not like the homespun yarn. It's kind of a pain to work with. But, I mean, half of it isn't bad. So, I'm going to make it work, because I think it'll make a really cool floor pillow. But so that's what I'm working on now. Like I said, please like this video, subscribe, and share. And I hope you can be affordably crafty too. Thanks. Bye.